Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week we're going to show you a recipe for maple pecan baby back ribs. So these are some beautiful Duroc baby back ribs. We trimmed them out, took off the silver skin. You've seen us do that 100 times. Squared them up a little bit. We're going to cook these on the stumps today. We have it running anyway, so we're going to throw these on. We're going to start off with a layer of garlic jalapeno rub by Heath Riles. Just a nice light even coat, both sides. Get a nice all-purpose base layer. Flip these guys over and do the same to the other side. Maple and pecan go well together, so we figured let's give this a try. So we're going to come back and we're going to hit it with Heath honey rub. Just another light coat of this. Again, we're smoking today on the Stump's gravity fed smoker. We're running Royal Oak briquettes with a little bit of pecan chunks for smoke. Running about 265. And now we're going to come back across. This is going to give us our pecan flavor. Heath Riles Pecan Rub. We use a lot of this in competition. It's a great rub, great flavor, beautiful color. Just press that in a little bit, flip these guys over. Nice even coat on the show side. You can see I'm not going real heavy. I'm just giving it a nice even coat. You can smell it already, it smells amazing. A little bit of this pecan rub goes a long way, so. Let's pat it in a little bit. We're going to let these sit for about 15 minutes. We're going to take them out and get them on the stumps. Okay, we got our stumps running about 265. We're going down on this lower rack. You can see these ribs look really nice color to them. Let's set these guys up. I'm going to give them a little bit of, push them together just a little bit. You can really smell that pecan. We're going to push these back in. We'll check them about an hour. We'll flip them, rotate them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and flip our ribs back over now. Man, they look good. Look how pretty these guys look. I'm just going to roll these back right over. We're going to give them about 20 minutes. Then we're going to wrap them. Beautiful color on them. They smell amazing. Okay, we're going to pull off these ribs. Man, they got a nice color on them. I'm gonna pull these off, take them in and wrap them. Looking good. Okay, so to wrap these maple pecan ribs, we're gonna lay down, I don't know, 4 or 5 pats of butter right across like that. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that pecan rub right down here on this butter. And we're going to take some of that maple honey habanero glaze. Just going to give it a little back and forth. And then just a little bit. This is a bourbon flavored maple syrup. So we're just going to go with just a little bit of this across there. Then of course some brown sugar. Just like that. We got a rack of ribs here. We're going to put down, meat side down. You can pick off some of this. These are our eating ribs for here at the house, so we're not really worried about it too much. We're going to go ahead and wrap these up. I double layered these. Some of these bones will cut through this foil. You just want to be careful with it. So we're just going to bring this over. And we're going to roll this down, just like that. Get it nice and tight around there. Just like that. And we'll move on to the next one. Okay, we got these guys all wrapped. We're going to go back on the smoker, put them back on. We're going to check them in 1 hour. See how close we are to being done. Okay, we have 2 of these racks done. And I'll show you what I'm looking at here. You can see these bones, how they're all pulled back real nice. Just want to give it a little, you can feel how loose those bones are around there. These are done. Like I said, we got 2 of these racks done. I'm going to pull them off. I'll take you in and show you how we're going to glaze them. Put them back on here, set the sauce, and then we get to try them. Okay, we have from our wrap here, from that butter and that maple syrup, we have some here in this wrap. So I'm just going to take some of my comp sauce and put it in there, and I'm just going to mix them up a little bit, and I'm just going to brush these real light. I'm not a real heavy sauce guy on my ribs. We just want to kind of make these glisten, and I don't want to add too much more of the maple or the pecan because it'll overpower them. So we're just gonna brush this side. These are gorgeous ribs. We're gonna put these back on the smoker, let them set up for about 15 minutes. We're gonna pull them off and enjoy them. So I'll set this guy out to the side here. We'll open up this one. And we did the same thing with this side. We're going to set these guys back on the smoker again for about 15 minutes. Pull them off and enjoy. Okay, we're going to pull our ribs off. We've set the sauce on these. They freaking smell amazing. You can definitely pick up on that pecan rub. So we're going to set these up here. Pretty looking color on those guys. We'll take these inside. Maybe try a bone or two.
Hey.
Okay, we're gonna pull out a rack of these ribs. You see they are gorgeous. Flip these guys over. Make a couple slices here. Just gonna cut these 2 bones. 2 bones wide. Just like that. Give one of these guys a try. Oh yeah. Oh wow. They're sticky. Man, you pick up a lot of that pecan, that maple. These are freaking excellent. Nice and sweet. Picking up a little bit of savoriness from that garlic jalapeno rub. Make sure you give this recipe a try. These maple pecan baby back ribs. Sticky, sweet, and delicious. Get you some.